Welcome to Funded.now, the ultimate hub for futures prop traders. On Funded.now, you can compare prop firms side by side, account to account, firm to firm, with powerful filters that help you find the exact account that fits your strategy. Trade micros? Hate consistency rules? Want EOD drawdown? Just set the filters and find your perfect match in seconds. You can also use built-in tools like the consistency rule calculator, lot size calculator, and drawdown simulator to plan before you risk real capital. Check which prop firms are available in your country, track your trading expenses, and stay updated with the economic calendar. All in one place. Stop guessing. Start choosing smart. Go to Funded.now and find the prop firm that fits you.
Hello guys, sorry for being late. We just finished with taxes, so like 12 minutes late. I'm so sorry about this, guys. Oh, seems like, look at this move. We never got any reaction. Ooh, that's insane. Look at this, never ever offered 5-minute order block. I shorted CL, guys. I shorted CL for $2 something. Exactly where I wanted. I didn't long Euro futures. It's so painful. Look at Euro futures. We retrace here down. Perfect retracement to 50% of 15-minute OB. Move higher. Isn't that amazing? Brilliant, right? CL right now at the zone where I would like to see some retracement up. We took my sell side exactly where I wanted to see move today, right at the open. Let me delete this level from my chart. So it's about to fill the gap. I was perfectly fine with a bit lower to the bottom of the gap. I was perfectly fine with this. I would like to see the retracement back up to hourly fair value gap, British fair value gap, and move down to 85. So CL normally doesn't really move during PM session, so maybe we're not going to place any trades. But my idea was I shorted 3-minute OB. I shorted 3-minute OB over here. I entered here. I closed here. I got like 2 something, like 2 point something. With 3 micros, of course. Don't remember where I shorted. Like something this. I got this one. Good trade, good trade. On the S&Q straight up, you know, like no complaints, I would say. It's good, right? And gold here is continuation setup. Because we missed this one, I'm looking for continuation higher. Ideally, I want to see like move towards liquidity level over here. I put ejection block here. I would like to see 51.38. Initial trade idea was, we discussed this on stream, where we wanted to long. Remember, over here. It was our trade idea. I don't mind to see continuation during PM session, you know. Weekend gaps. Yeah, probably you're right, you know. We completely balanced new week opening gap, completely balanced this new. That's crazy. At the same time, not bad. It was choppy, very choppy at the open. It's okay. Like, I'm okay to miss, you know. Alright. I didn't feel bad, you know. Not sure anymore. You know, my idea, I mean, totally possible. I don't know, totally possible. But my idea was to look for shorts from the area between 50 and 25%. And I set on the steam like morning steam, not higher, you know. So we're about to fill RTH gap. I know, like gold looks better. So we got continuation setup. So what do we mean by continuation setup? We got 3-minute OB, 30-minute sweep. I missed this trade. I was waiting for the retracement down to this breaker block. My entry had to be here, right? Let me move over here. My entry ideally had to be here as we were waiting for on stream. We got 3-minute OB as confirmation. So here's confirmation. So honestly, entry, I didn't enter here. Entry was confirmed by order block over here. So I would like to see higher, you know, like I would like to see higher. But entry was confirmed by, honestly, once again, I didn't enter here. I wasn't sure about this. Like, I saw this looked kind of bearish in my opinion. So yeah, it nicely moved towards this breaker block. I would say amazing breaker block here. But overall, I don't know. I didn't like this. But continuation stop was confirmed by 3-minute order block. Over here also we got minor sweep, right? And so far just like 1.5 R or so, like not a lot. It didn't move a lot. Would like to see higher still. On oil, oil interesting. Once again, I'm not sure if it's going to move at all today, but maybe Asia session, maybe, yes. So I'm interested in gold only. So far, not interested in yes and NQ because it's straight and slow move up. I hate it. You know this, guys. I hate it so much. So I'm interested only in gold, and that's it. Let me check. Actually, nothing to check. Hello guys. How are you today? It will be partial level. Just nothing is going on so far. Barely moved from here, like 5 points. So guys, what do you think about indices? I don't look more than 22. Oh, thank you so much. I appreciate this. I'm old. Almost old. It's quite crazy move up, but once again, guys, let's be honest. NQ was very bullish from the very beginning, right? Did I miss any? I shorted TL. I missed long on Euro futures. I didn't really miss. I didn't even pay attention on this, you know. I didn't trade indices today. I took small scalp on long scalp on gold. That's it. Somehow up on the day, but once again, not. I wouldn't say I'm happy with this, you know, with this trades. I mean, with CL maybe I'm happy, but overall, of course, when you see like straight up since market open, no, it's from 10 a.m. You see like yes bounced like 100 points. Of course, you feel like you know, feels like I missed everything because we almost bounced 500 points on indices, on NQ. That's insane. Let me open my Ninja Trader 1 second because I'm on TradeView right now. You will not see this. That's insane. That's just crazy. Right? Okay, thank you so much. Okay. How young I am. I'm close to 20s. Painful. But once again, probably I will pay attention only on metals today. Like maybe CL, oil, but probably not indices. We got, once again, straight up since 10 a.m. And once again, maybe in hindsight it doesn't look bad, right? We got, let me show you what we got. Let me add more candles. We got nice 30-minute SIP, 3-minute OB. Like, definitely doesn't look bad, right? In hindsight. In real time, in my opinion, yes, looked bearish. She's 17, thank you so much. But in Q, looked bullish from the very beginning. My plan is look for continuation higher on gold. At least nothing invalidates this idea just yet. Invalidation probably is going to be break below 50% of 3-minute OB. So probably invalidation of my long idea will be below 5096. And that's it. That's all I see so far. I see long on gold. That's it. I mean, nothing changed since 11:30. We still are the same, at the same entry point. Nothing changed. I scalped this long, like with 2 contracts. I entered, I already closed, but I entered short on oil as well today. It was from here? No, yes, somewhere from here. And that's it. Yeah, I'm holding like 2 micros long. Nothing changed. I'm logging trying to log into my Ninja Trader. Sorry guys, it's still loading. I cannot show you trader. Wait, I need to hide my account there. Okay, let me connect accounts. You know, like nothing changed. I would try to play like CL because it has more volume, but it is what it is, you know? Let's check CL real quick, guys. It's really hard to talk about CL because I know like CL normally doesn't move during PM session. But if it's going to close above 95.50, I will look for move towards 100 again. Once again, not fan of trading during PM session, but maybe it will be an idea, my idea. CL, it's oil. It's oil. But yeah, I scalped short with 3 micros for somehow I made $600 on my TradingView and Lucid accounts. And that's it so far. That's all I made today. We got nice price action on Euro today. Pretty much textbook price action, but nothing for me. Remind me about contract size just a little bit later if you don't mind. And I'm holding small long position for 3 hours already on gold. This one. That's it. Of course, I would try to long from lower prices, so I don't mind to close for small profit and re-enter like with bigger price because I hate to add to losing position. But I'm holding this long with 2 contracts right now, and that's it. Oh, actually, let me show you. Why I didn't show this? Dumb. Come on, Dasha. As I said, I entered like 2 hours ago, but once again, nothing changed. We're still in my entry point. We barely moved. Since then. But once again, I wouldn't mind to see lower, to be honest. I wouldn't mind to see lower back to 5,080. Look for potential like 84. Why have... How to actually change this? Oh, I got it. I have like, I was like, what's wrong with my gold chart today on my high frame charts? And it was like, it was Forex charts there. Of course. Of course, Dasha. Are you kidding me? But once again, I would rather, I wish like it's going to retrace lower. I can enter with more contracts because my stop loss was crazy huge. I would try, don't mind. Ignore like my position. I don't mind to see slightly lower, somewhere here. Sweep of these lows first. So I wouldn't mind to get this one, to be honest. I entered 2 contracts because stop loss initially was 20 points. It's not my like, it's a lot. But yeah, on CL I have like strong plan right now. If it's going to close above this level, I will scalp long. Let's see. If it's going to be 5-minute OB, I will scalp short as well. But on other accounts, not on TradingView and Lucid, because I hate to put position at the same time. Yeah. If it's going to be 5-minute OB, actually, we can try to short this down back to weekly open. But let's see. 5-minute OB needs to be first. Needs to be presented first. You miss nothing. Like, we barely moved from my entry. Like, barely moved. That's key word here. You missed nothing. Yeah, since SPX fills the gap, RTH gap, it didn't fill, by the way. No, it didn't fill. But once again, it's not important at this point. When we have, what is this? When we have straight up, normally we go through this gap. Like, 90% of the time. So right now, I would say we tested OT of RTH gap and nothing else. Nothing else, guys. So right now, I would say like gold, not really worth it. But honestly, I would try to enter gold than chasing the price on indices right now. Not going to lie. Last week, about filling the gap? Lots of people send me messages about filling the gap. And I was like, who was it? Who was it? But we need to get 5-minute order block, I guess. Did we get this on? We don't even have this on NQ. That's insane as well. Because, you know, when we have straight up moves on ES or NQ, I'm trading gold. Long. But honestly, my ideal plan on gold is retracement way lower. So I will try to close my position, but since it's small size, I just let it run right now, either like here and lower and re-enter. Because I'm not fan of like overall structure right now for longs. Like, according to our IM session plan, yes, it played out exactly how we wanted. We want to see retracement to breaker block, continuation higher. My partial, by the way, rejection block, 50% of rejection block. Final TP remains the same as it was this morning. But when I saw this consolidation, I was like, probably accumulated right now to offer manipulation down and continuation higher, like ideally. At this point, I would try to see retracement lower to break below consolidation low, or in other words, time distortion break, and longs, you know? At this point, I can enter with more contracts, because stop loss, I trade in like straight to fund accounts right now. Stop loss was around like 20 points. I hate this kind of stop loss, you know? And you know, probably I wouldn't mind to see like scalp shorts to my key area where I want to long, but at this point I would like to see the reclaiming fair value gap. What do I mean by this? So 3-minute chart, closing below this fair value gap, we're going to get reclaimed fair value gap, and we can scalp shorts, actually, which I probably don't mind. CL, no, it's not CL. I actually, by the way, guys, if you just joined, I traded oil today, first time for this, the last like 10 months, probably, which is insane. My idea on oil remains the same. If it's going to close above this level, I would like to look for scalp for 19,100 area. Why because of structure, I cannot make this less. I simply cannot make this less. According to the setup, I cannot put my stop loss here simply because it's going to look like small stop loss. You know? I had to put stop loss where trade idea is going to be invalidated. And how I can make my, how much I'm going to risk. I'm going to reduce my contract size. I don't have any other options, you know? This is how it works. You don't have any other options. You cannot risk one tick to make like 100 points. It's not going to work like this, right? What conditions I need to have to stop trading? So I would say probably need to lose like $400 on every single account I have, every single funded account I have, and at this point I'm going to stop trading at all until the end of the day. Yes. I hope it's going to, honestly, I hope it's going to take my break even, because I would like to see reclaimed fair value gap, and I would like to get longs from like discount. Here's the continuation setup, guys. You know, I'm not fan of continuation setups. But we will see how it goes. I will keep my eyes on oil as well. I don't mind to trade oil, but once again, keep in mind, it's huge range. Normally, oil doesn't move like $2 within like 1 day. Like, okay, sometimes this happens, but almost never you will see oil CL moves $2 within like 15 minutes. It's like really crazy. I have 35 funded accounts. That's right. So, you're not interested in gold? Well, I would say I'm interested in gold simply because ES&Q offered slow, very slow, straight up move. When we have slow, straight up move, I always avoid trading at this point. Why? Because I always trying to catch retracement or a reversal. I cannot engage in continuation. It's really hard. Yeah, not always it's going to come, unfortunately. That's why I'm not fan of trading continuation setups. I prefer to trade like candle 2, like first candle potential sweep, and just sit in this trade. I hate to trade continuation setups. I don't know why people keep saying it's more like protected trades. In my opinion, nope. It's more risky trades. Oh, you mean like when I have, when market is hard, once again, I have like options to trade indices, metals, oil, like whatever, like different markets. And of course, when I see like on metals, I see nothing. Like on, let's say on Euro futures, I see nothing. On oil, I see nothing. Like indices, I see nothing. At this point, yes, I'm just going to close my charts. Like my setup is not here. I'm just going to like walk away. I'm not interested in this right now. So let's see if it's going to reclaim for a value gap. Soybean, maybe. But yeah, we're gonna see. Kind of, you know, like oil can present my kind of setup here if it's going to close above 95.53. Like imagine to see oil at 100. Honestly, I never seen that. I started trading like 2022. Let me see. Yeah, I never seen that price before. And that's insane. All right. Same here. It's not always continue. I mean, once again, we have continuation stop, of course, but the question about stop loss, where we want to put our stop loss at this point, because you will see how many times it actually failed when you put stop loss at continuation stop. So basically we got, let's say, bullish OB with a candle, third candle, right? That's amazing. Like we got order block, we want to enter at open of next candle. Stop loss is going to be below like order block, below current swing low. And how many times you actually saw price sweeping this low? I see this a lot. Seriously, a lot. So I'm not a fan of this. But when you trade like first candle, like potential sweep, possible sweep, right? At this point you have like, I would say your stop loss at more protected place. And when you trade continuation stop, like I don't know why people keep saying put at swing low, swing high. I'm not sure if it's really going to work lots of times. I wouldn't say so. I kind of believe it's going to be just retracement, not reversal yet. I do test the new prop firms, but not privately. I always trade them on stream. So for example, I started trading a new platform, a new prop firm. Did not trade them yet today, but it's going to be E8 futures forex crypto prop firm. So yeah, not privately. I always like share experience, and I actually show people these accounts. But right now, like today, it was like TradingView accounts. No, actually, I read about them on X before, but yeah. It's not reclaimed fair value gap, right? Because I'm thinking if it's going to be reclaimed fair value gap, and since we want to see lower, we can actually scalp the short. I was in position before I was in long, but I already cut and break even here, so looking for another opportunity. Guys, are you in any position right now? Like long, short, something? Look at NQ, guys. Interesting, because NQ way stronger right now than ES. ES offered 5 million to B, and it actually looks good, but NQ at the same time still bullish. I'm happy with my CL trade before, but anyway. Like somewhere like deep in my soul, I feel like I missed perfect long on ES and NQ, but even looking in hindsight, I would never trade it. But still feel like I missed something, you know? And I hate it. I didn't even take mental trades. Let's see if NQ is going to close below this level. It will be short, confirmed short. I will try this. No. I was in long on gold, but already cut this trade. I just don't trade, you know. And I also traded oil. That's it. I didn't place a single trade on indices today, which is painful and kind of sad. On Apex has activation fee, yes. Depends on intraday trading drawdown. Right? Let me show you. Yeah, I actually traded. I traded exactly where I set on Steam. I wanted to see a move towards 95, remember? Shorted for $2 something. I don't remember exactly. Like, I got 600 something bucks on my accounts. This one. I like this kind of trades, like pretty easy trade, 3-minute OB. And I had to enter here, but I wasn't fast enough because it's really fast moves. Shorted on my USD Tradify accounts, and I got out at this dotted line. We discussed this on stream, remember? That's it. 3 micros, of course, micros. Trying to displace below this level so far. And keep trying to break, I like it. Do we have hourly sweep? We don't have hourly sweep, but we have 3-minute one, it's okay. Let me check SPX real quick. Lines up with 5-minute liquidity level. Yeah, it's over here. Okay, got it. We have nice sentiment here. Let's see if gold is going to reclaim fair value gap. Need to close, 50 seconds left. I believe we're going to 6,700 on ES. Looking for reclaiming fair value gap on gold right now. Like, how many minutes left? 20 seconds. Okay, 20 seconds left. We'll try to scalp short probably. Let me hide these executions because I hate when I see these marks, you know, like entry and exit points. How big risk? I believe risk is going to be quite big, so keep this in mind, guys. When you're trying to trade gold, keep in mind that risk is going to be quite big. So I'm looking for short to aim for 5,080. So let me delete it for now. Let me clean my chart a little bit, guys, for you. So we declared fair value gap right now. Since we took this high here, we're inside premium, right? So price went higher twice from discount, but failed to take this high. At this point, we should go to opposite liquidity level, which I'm going to aim for. I'm actually trying to do this straight. Oh, come on. How many contracts? It's like 15 point stop loss. Like 2-3 micros probably on this trade. Let me calculate risk. From reclaimed fair value gap, stop slightly above the swing high. It can be like 1.5 hour trade, I guess. Right? So once again, I kind of would like to see higher, but first I would like to see lower and higher. So I entered this short. 1 second. I entered short, guys. 3 micros. I will try to aim for this liquidity level, which kind of probably makes sense to me. Oh, let's see how it goes. Let's see. So I don't risk a lot. So 3 micros on this trade. So once again, I would like to see lower. As I said, I'm going to scalp this. I'm risking half of my profit today that I made, which is okay. And I will look for longs from here again. Let's see how it goes. So I'm up $600 on this account, but once again, risking half of this. So not ready to give up all my profit, right? We're not that stupid yet. But half of this, yes, I can do this. I can do this, I promise. Also, I'm going to highlight 50% of this. At 93, okay. Thank you. 93.3 is going to be probably partial level. Is it too late? I mean, I am up like less than $1. I don't know. It's up to you. I don't know if it's late. For me, it's just fine. Would like to see 5,093.3. It's going to be partial level, and the rest is going to be final TP over here. Around like 1.2, 1.3 R. But once again, I'm really looking for lower to long. All right. Oh, it's okay. MGCM, yes. Oh, actually, I'm lying. I need a retracer here. Okay, got it. $97. Okay, that's fine. Let's see if it's going to retrace for us, so we can try to long later. I'm going to hold this. I'm in this 3 micros only. Risk is just fine to me. So if I'm going to give up some of my profit today, it's fine. But as I said before, I will enter once it will offer reclaimed fair value gap. So this is what I did. So technically trying to trade my plan. I don't want to see price higher than 50% of this order block. Technically, I can put my stop loss there at 15. But in my opinion, like ideal plan for me, I want to see lower to long. So my partial level is 50% of order block and 50% of my range. So 97, 93 area, somewhere there. If I can lock some profit, I will take it, you know, guys. To this area. So technically, I'm looking for longs from here. That's why I decided to scalp this short. I really would like to see longs from here, not from where we are right now. Because if it's going to bounce right now up to my level where I wasn't long before, by the way, to this area right now, I don't like it. Even when I was entering here, I was entering here long. I don't remember, I entered somewhere here before. Now I cut this at break-even because from the very beginning I wanted to sell over. But let's see how it goes. I'm okay. Actually, I wish I was in ES short as well. Kind of like it. But it's never too late, you know. So, retracement reversal area where I want to see potential longs. Yeah, I like ES shorts way more right now, but I'm not in this right now, so it's okay. And you just offered the closure. It's fine. Why it's so slow? Some volatility came in. Sorry, guys. Had to let it run. Would like to see 97, 93 so bad, guys. I would like to see here. Like, seriously, would like to see here. Drop to this area. If it's going to be straight up, I will be extremely disappointed because long from here. No, please. Give us longs. I don't mind you after short to enter long. That's just really my plan right now. At the same time, of course, ES looks so good. It's okay. It's fine. It's fine. Some volatility came in. I feel like Trump maybe said something, but it's okay. We still can find setup on ES and NQ if it's really going to be good setup. We got the closure, by the way, on okay, I like this as well. How deep the retracement was? 1 point, not bad. Okay. So my trade idea here is the action from declaimed fair value gap. I'm looking towards this area right now, area here, and I'm looking for longs from there, guys. So I trade in half of my position right now because I made $600 on this account before, so I decided to risk half of my profit here. Half of my profit here. Of course, I will be kind of disappointed to lose this, simply because, like, come on, structure, like, just screaming, like, we need to go to this area first. Retracement reversal area. So between 50% of OB and liquidity level. That's what I'm aiming for. I don't want to see higher than this buy side. And it's, if I could put my stop loss here, but honestly, it's extremely risky stop loss, aggressive stop loss. So that's why I didn't do this. Let's see. At the top of this area, 50% of this area. Are you kidding me? At the top of this area, 50% of this area, and sell side. Stop loss once again needs to be here, but I decided to be more conservative simply because I want to give this bigger room for retracement. So technically just scalping, I guess. Kind of slow, but at the same time, I would say it's okay, it's normal. Let's see if it's going to bounce to this area, please. Come on, market makers. Don't be shy. Don't be shy. You didn't hit this area yet. Hit this, then go up. We will long this. That's just our plan. That's just our plan. Long from this retracement area. Scalp short and long right after this. Oh, that's loud outside. I'm okay with fair value gap. Someone said we inside 3-minute fair value gap. That's okay. But I would say I was shorting from this fair value gap as well. Like technically from reclaimed fair value gap. And of course I could aim for opposite reclaimed fair value gap. But idea remains slightly different. Like idea remains we want to hit this area and look for long from there. It was playing outside, but it was probably too low because it was so loud. This morning I shorted oil with 3 micros because range is huge. Like seriously huge. And I remember when I was trading 1 mini contracts on oil risking like 20 cents. And it really was like this. 30 cents, 20 cents. It's 200, 300 bucks with 1 mini contract. Right now risk is insane. Right now risk is around like, with 1 mini contract, like 1,000 bucks. Come on, are you kidding me? No, anyway, I will stay in this trade. I don't like longs from here. I might like longs from if it's going to like break above this fair value gap again, you know? But not where we are right now. Feels like it left room to go lower. It's fine once again, but at the same time, not fine. Yes, dropping. Looks good. Let's check. Yes. I'm going to highlight this potential measuring gap. Let's see. I may look for this setup as well, you know? So if it's going to be measuring gap, I would like to see institutional order flow entry drill and drop towards weekly open. I think so. Robert, you said long 67.19. Why? You mean like if it's going to break above this level? Or what? No. I mean, you said, oh, long right now, TP 67.19. Oh, I got it. Okay. In my point of view here, if it's going to stay below 50% of this fair value gap, it still will be short. Probably. Robert, where is your lowest level? You don't want to see 66.85? So you don't want to see weekly open retest? Because I kind of want it, I would say. $66.90. Oh, I mean, I kind of would like to see more, but your level makes sense because it's right at right below 50% of daily volume imbalance. Also, I guess it's going to line up with a minor liquidity level over here, right? I would like to see lower, like 95. 95, it's really conservative. I would like to see even more. Trade logic on gold or on yes, or I also traded oil today. Logic on gold, I would say logic is let me zoom out a little bit to show you. So we got nice range over here. You cannot see this still. Over here, this range, right? So price went perfectly back to premium over here, nice premium move, then discount. And from discount, price failed to take this high again. So technically what makes sense to me, if it failed to take this high again, so basically move from deep discount to deep premium, we need to take this high again. It tried once, it tried second time, it failed 2 times. At this point, which makes sense to me, if it's going to right now offer order block, which it actually did, and reclaim fair value gap, which was initial idea for short, I would like to see lower. I was waiting for the closure below the 3-minute fair value gap to consider this as a reclaimed fair value gap. And I said I would like to aim for opposite liquidity level. So my TP, ideal TP for this drop is going to be 5,087. So I would say it's more based on market structure, you know, something. Since it failed to take this high twice, I would like to see we're going to opposite liquidity level. But we have some barriers for price to go lower. It will be 50% of the range and 50% of order block. And that's why I put my partials there to lock some profit in case I'm right and it can be barrier for price to go lower. So at least I'm going to be in profit, you know. I hope it makes sense. Sometimes it's really hard for me to explain stuff because I see some stuff, but I really cannot explain this because I already saw this many times and it's already just because, you know, just because it should be like this, you know. I hope it makes sense. Yeah, MXM, that's right. Just because it should work like this. But how to explain? I don't know. Like, source, trust me. Just trust me. I just backtested this and I saw this happens many times. But exactly why? I don't know why. Just because. Just trust me. That's it. Just trust me. And these blue bugs on my chart, I expect to get reaction from these bugs. Why? Just because, guys. This happens a lot. Reaction happens a lot. Just because. Accept this. Just because reaction happens a lot. So far, yeah, like initially it looked like crazy big stop loss, but idea when I enter the trade, I don't want to see deep retracement. I want to see like immediately in my favor. That's why I trade smaller size, but gives us bigger room for retracement. And I'm personally fine with 1-hour trades, because sometimes it should be 1-hour trade. Also hard to explain why, just because it should be. And my key level's at 97, and I would say around like 50% of this area, like it's just logical levels, we should hit them, but right now kind of struggling. You save this high, this low. Honestly, don't understand why price still here. 97, like 5097 is extremely conservative level. So I expected to take this level like millions of years ago. Not millions, but like long time ago. Move to break even. Oh, you know, I'm with 3 micros, risking $300. I'm okay. I'm okay to be wrong. I hate situations when I move at break even and goes to my TP. That's why I just trade smaller size and I'm okay with the retracement. Let's leave it, guys. Let's leave it. If I'm wrong, it will stop me out. That's pretty much it. Is this how trading works? 3,000 years ago, yeah. That's right, my friend. That's right. But once again, when I was entering the trade, it wasn't consolidation. It became consolidation once I entered the trade. I entered somewhere here. So consolidation started right after my trade begins. You have 5-minute flat candle? Yeah, guys, once again, I'm looking for longs right after my short. You have to avoid, yeah, I have to avoid consolidation, but at the same time, like, if you expect to get price will go lower and structure actually here, like, why not to try this, you know? Yeah, given my website right now. Not here, not here. By the way, morning accounts were sent. I sent morning accounts to winners. Oops. Let's see, if it's going to be consolidation next 2 minutes, I will switch on yes. Just not worth it, you know? Because I feel like we're going to waste time on trading gold while ES and NQ offers better structure. Make sense? I will just switch. If it's not, nothing is going to happen within this current 5-minute and 3-minute candle. Just saying. I will not see the reason to stay in this trade. Is it lagging right now, or we don't move? We don't move. I will just jump on yes. Just don't want to waste the time on gold. Well, you know, sometimes gold looks better than indices. Switch on NQ. We will see. Deep infrastructure is going to be better. I will let it to close this 5-minute candle, and if it's going to stay inside consolidation next 1 minute, I will cut and we will switch on ES. Just no reason. Waste time. Because I expected to get, like, it was like 3 times close to my TP, like, whatever. Doesn't want to drop? Perfect. We will switch on indices. Just because gold, you don't want to move. Like, what you talking about? We hit minor liquidity level on ES. Still can be continuation. Yeah, I'm gonna close here. So I'm gonna close here. I mean, like, I'm going to move at break even and we will switch on ES now. So that's it. Just no reason, you know. Just consolidation. Let's switch on indices. Okay, guys, I'm looking for a yes higher to this 3-minute fair value gap. I mentioned this before. I would like to see 67.15 retracement, like somewhere here. And the actions there. We took a minor liquidity level at the same time. Oh, 1 second. At the same time, ES, not ES, NQ also took liquidity level, whatever, then. It's not important then. VinSync. So minor retracement. Continuation lower. So I'm going to jump right now. Switch on micro. Yes, on my Ninja Trader. And Q short. Once again, I don't expect to get big drop, but I would like to see retracement to weekly open. So my plan right now is retracement back to fair value gap on 3-minute chart. Move down. Gonna check oil as well. Okay. Waiting for another opportunity, better opportunity, you know, like rather than to sit inside consolidation, we switch focus on market where we have volume. Hello, hello. You missed nothing. I wasn't short on gold, but I closed. I closed. That's it. Looking for another trade. Still up $600 on the day. On my trade defined list accounts. That's all I traded today. Come on, market makers. I want more trades, please. Oh yeah, I closed. I guess it broke even. If ES is going to stay inside consolidation, it will be so F crazy. But, you know, at the same time, it's PM session, so I would say it's just normal. On M&Q, well, it's crazy ranges. 2-3 micros, 1-2-3 micros will be enough. 3 micros it's a lot. I would say 1-2 micros when stop loss is 100 points is all you need. Don't be shy to trade micros. It's not a problem. Just because it can, you know, nothing surprised me anymore. I believe I need to put my mic slightly lower because it just overload. It's hide my face, right? Guys, how is my mic? It's okay? I guess I need to put this lower, but not that much. I need to fix this somehow. Stay here, please. Call market makers. What should I ask? What should I ask? What should we ask for? We don't trade anymore, so we don't need to call them anymore, right? Well, I am strong, but on 15 minute chat we got OB. Did I trade into this fair value gap? No, we barely touch. We just tap the top of this fair value gap. That's strange then. We didn't even hit buy sentiment on. Oh, actually, we did. We did, and it's trying to retrace right now. Just for now. I don't really want to see higher. I would like to see just retracement back up to this fair value gap and reaction. I need to keep my chart clean somehow. We took this, right? Gold is addiction, seriously. Same as in Q. So 50% off on Lucid accounts for first 2 accounts. Then it's going to be 40% off. Yeah. I can do Lucid Flex tomorrow morning, guys. If you're interested in giveaway tomorrow, I can do Lucid Flex tomorrow morning. Yeah. So this morning I did Lucid Pro accounts. I already sent accounts to winners right before the stream. Right now I do Epics, but tomorrow morning I will do Lucid. I have lots of accounts for giveaway, guys. It's just really hard to manage them. I have Lucid, I have TradingView, I have some TradeZella, I have E8, I have Epics, I have TPT, I have... This is for now. That's what I have. Thank you, Alan. Appreciate this. I still use my old straight to funded TradingView accounts, Lightning funded accounts. 5 of them. Don't cheat on them. Still trade with them. But you know, It's Monday, so I would say for monthly price action, just okay. So normally it's manipulation or accumulation. So if today was hard for you, I would say it's fine. It's Monday. Take a decision. Take your money and run away quickly. Yeah, tomorrow I will do lucid. During the AM session I will do lucid flex, but during PM session I will do either E8 prop firm or I will do TradingView Lightning Funded. We will see. Or we will do both, so also doesn't really matter. Funny because gold did nothing. Like, nothing. Telegram account, I don't have it. I mean, maybe I have it, but I don't run this. I don't post something there. I have like Instagram, I have Twitter, X, my bad. I have Discord, which is free. What else I have? Nothing. YouTube. I was trying to short gold, but I cut at break-in simply because it's just garbage consolidation. So I cut it. Waiting for another opportunity. He was on Steam. By the way, I guess... No, he's not on Steam because he's busy. He was busy when I was starting the Steam, so yeah. Oh yeah, TikTok as well. But, you know... Hard to call this like social media for me because I have 20,000 people there, but it's really hard to grow TikTok. Yeah, Twitter. Sorry about this. Like, I remember when I was saying Twitter all the time and people were like, it's not Twitter anymore. Why you keep saying Twitter? I'm like, come on, man. 20,000, yes. So looking for this fair value gap retracement now. Are we inside OT? Not yet. I mean, not even 50%. But we tap buy sentiment on SPX. Still not enough. Look at this. Well, we did right things when we decided to close at break-even. It's because it's Twitter. That's it. Period. Nothing else. I'm not touching oil. I got perfect $2 short this morning. I would say like around like 11.10, 11.20, and that's it. Since, you know, guys, we have volatility on oil, we may start trading this daily if it's going to be like this. If we're going to have volume, I'm okay to trade this. Oh, my bad, guys. So, guys, nothing is going on. Like, nothing, like, really is going on today. 700 people watching right now. It's Monday, so you guys, not lots of trades. I really trying my best to find more setups, but it's Monday, so we're kind of limited right now. When did I start ICT? 2022, June 2022. Almost 4 years ago. Come on, we need to see bounce towards this fair value gap first. We'll do giveaways soon, guys. I would like to focus a little bit on setup. Hate gold. I hate you sometimes. Sometimes I hate you. Not fun how YM failed to take this fair value gap, just touch this level. On hourly nothing happened, which probably is still part of the trend, you know. So great question about fair value gap on ES. See this 3-minute fair value gap? Just for now, I consider this as measuring gap. So fair value gap that needs to be at the 50% of implied range, where I anticipate to get range. So approximately near 50% of our range that we expect to get. So in my opinion, like normally I would like to see measuring gap either like unfilled fair value gap, or we're testing below 50% of this fair value gap if it's bearish fair value gap. At this point, it's true. If it truly wants to retrace more to downside, I would like to see we stand below 50% of fair value gap. So somewhere in this area. And if it's going to offer rejection, yes, it will be short. Right now, I would like to see higher to this measuring gap. But yeah, normally, that's your, actually, let me do like this. You have valid swing low, valid swing high, valid swing low, and that's your range, right? That's your range. So 50% is here of your range, right? But when range only building and you anticipate to get, okay, here's going to be potential swing low. I'm not sure exactly where it's going to be, but somewhere here, approximately at this area. And usually measuring gap, it's big range for a value gap, confirms idea that yes, we inside potential move, potential market maker sell model right now, and we're going lower. And somewhere here near like 50% of this fair value gap, preferably below this level, it's building a second stage of redistribution. So we want to see price, let's say, going like here, offering a bit of distortion, then lower, right? We anticipate to get swing low here. So normally before second stage of market maker model, buy or sell model, price trying to retrace to measuring gap. But preferably to stay below 50% of this fair value gap if it's bearish fair value gap, or above 50% of fair value gap if it's bullish fair value gap. I hope this part makes sense. So at this point, what I'm looking at, if it really wants to drop, 50% of potential range, implied range, is here, where swing low is going to be at weekly open. That's why I said if price is going to break right now above 50% of this fair value gap, so we don't have like market maker sell model. What we have retracement. That's it, nothing else. I hope I explained this well. Just like it really helps. Because if it wants to be second stage of market maker sell model on this lower time frame, maybe we want to see here, maybe we want to see to weekly open, maybe we want to see like somewhere here, back to discount, OT. So yeah, second stage will start forming here. Once you break above this fair value gap, forget about this. I consider this just a retracement down before continuation higher. But guys, what level you want to aim for if you're in long position? Like what level you like here? We completely balanced new week opening gap. We have like just garbage weeks, which is was Friday PM session. You want to aim for 67, 78? I don't know. You want to aim for fair value gap here? Maybe. $67.40. Let me see. Oh, okay, got it. Okay, I see. We have hourly fair value gap as well. Was it hourly? I guess so. 67.80. I got it. You're basically looking for liquidity level. You think it's going to happen on Monday? I don't think so, honestly. $34 is kind of a lot for me, so I will look for shorts below this fair value gap. Below 50% of this fair value gap. Minor sell sentiment here. Kind of like it. Retracing to 50% of today's RTH gap. Kind of like this as well. Let's see. We may try to trade second stage of redistribution. Oh, it's okay. You know, like, at the beginning it looked good on ES, but at the same time on NQ it wasn't confirmed. So, like, yeah, you never know. Of course, in hindsight, like, of course we had to enter here. It looks so good, but in real time, it wasn't like this. It's just consolidation, you know? Like, seriously, nothing happened. I don't want to see lower, guys, still, but I don't want to engage anymore. It's just unnecessary chop here, unnecessary stress, I would say, to sit in this garbage. Better to trade when we have volatility, you know, not when we're like inside the chop. I still would like to see 5097, 93 area, but probably not going to engage. Don't want to stuck and trade for 2 extra hours to get 10 points. Enough. Enough for us. Yeah, in hindsight, guys, I'm millionaire. I'm just 199% win rate strategy. Like, everything works in hindsight. But sometimes, even when I look in hindsight, I don't want to take the trade. Like, yeah, we got nice move up, but over here, I wouldn't engage anyway. So I don't feel like I missed something this morning. Happy with my profit today on oil shorts. Look at this. Not worth it. It's PM session. But starting tomorrow, I will trade oil since it's moving good. Doing silver bullet, pre-market. So I will start trading oil on streams as well. I mean, I used to trade on streams as well, but a long time ago. Billionaire, yeah. I wouldn't say it was bad price action. It's Monday. We're just asking too much. But, you know, even with this, we could get nice long today. I was just so cheap with my entry. I was like, I want to save money. I want to enter here, but I entered here, was up like 15 points. I also got break-even. Well, what I did on gold today, 2 trades and both break-evens. Perfect. But let's put for market makers at 97 because we must take this level. Or is it without me, but we must take this level. I would like to see we going to 97. Look at this perfect pink color, guys. Brilliant. I would like to see this range. So bad. You know, also I would say, if you open daily chart on gold, you will see the inside consolidation since last Tuesday. So you just need to be like, calm down, man. I don't want to take like 100 point trades on gold. I'm not going to aim for liquidity level. I'm going to aim for like conservative levels, as I did today, for example. I was like, I will be conservative. I will put my TP where like we can get a reaction, a rejection. I'm not going to be brave and like cool, like I'm smart trader. I'm going to aim for liquidity level. When we inside the consolidation, it almost never works. No reason for this. Take your money and walk away. Like 1 hour inside consolidation, that's pretty much all you need. It's not bad. If you don't like how big your stop loss compared to your TP, like 1 hour trade, just you need to adjust yourself to market conditions. If you don't want this, just don't trade. Like, you need to do this. or you need to change your strategy to trade this consolidation. I decided to just adjust my contract size. So basically, if I'm risking $200, I'm going to make $200 just for now. But of course, I would like to aim for 2R most of the time. On ES and Q, I usually get 2R, but on gold, we're talking about gold right now. Gold consolidation. This consolidation. See? Garbage. Ugly. I was discussing this consolidation. Just someone said it's bad price action. I said, like, it's not bad price action. Just need to learn how to trade inside consolidation. That's it. Even right now, gold barely moved. Oh, well, all right. It's fine. It's fine. It's fine. I was trying to long gold, stopped out break even. I was trying to short gold. I closed break even because it was consolidation. I also shorted oil, and this is where I made money today. That's it. Normally, yes. When we have consolidation during like New York, we usually anticipate to get lunch expansion. I'm not going to trade gold anymore today. Just no thank you. Hey. Why can I drag my chart? Hey. Guys, do you have issue with TradingView right now? I cannot even move this. I cannot even delete my drawings. Universe trying to tell me like, Dasha, you don't want to trade in Q today. Like, focus on ES. I cannot even like... Can I use indicators? What's the point? I cannot even like move my chart. Well, NQ said not today. No. I cannot even like delete my drawings. Can I draw something? No. It doesn't work. Stop working. TradingView said, Dasha, it's Monday. Enjoy your day. What are you doing here? But I can do this on ES. It's... I can move here. I just like it. Whatever. Mm-mm. That's funny. Whatever, guys. Let's focus on ES. It just doesn't work. How to move? It's funny. Margin gap, so far we're trying to expect 50%, but as you can see, no reaction. We want to trade displacement. Normally. Make a video about what? I mean, I have lots of planned videos, guys, because I'm preparing for free playlist. But since I started trading PM session every single day, so right now I am a bit limited with my time. Unfortunately. Funny because gold still did nothing. Insane. The inside is measuring gap on NQ as well. Can I... Somewhere here. I mean, somewhere I also have no idea where indices go. I cannot see the future. Flash gold and zoom out a little bit gold. I did big mistake when I was trying to long here and short here, so just forget about gold until tomorrow, seriously. We got the closure above 50%, we got the closure above 50% on NQ as well. So I had an order block, but once again, it's interesting because on 3-minute chart, yes, we broke above 50% of measuring gap, and I'm watching like, yeah, we got first bullish sign of potential continuation higher, but on 5-minute chart at the same time, it's still inside bearish setup because measuring gap on 5-minute chart is here. But on 3-minute chart structure already offered. I'm not going to chase price. I'm going to close just. Today is kind of shit price action, but once again, if you're good in trading consolidation, it's fine, I would say. I'm not really perfect in this, so no complaints. If you can avoid trading consolidation, I normally avoid it. NQ still doesn't work. Okay. It's Monday, yeah, guys. It's only Monday. Tomorrow will be lots of opportunities. Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. Friday also garbage, but remember last Friday? That's just ridiculous. Yeah, I will start giveaway once we hit, let's do 400 likes. I will start giveaway early, but so far it's scheduled at 3 p.m. Let's hit 400 likes and I will start this early if you want, guys. Somehow I'm green today, like good green, but not happy with this. Really hard money. Yeah, 5-minute chart also invalidated. Let's see. Previous one was bad? I don't remember. Did we get any trades last Monday? I remember. I'm gonna check. When it was. Today is... It was 2nd. But we won, guys. Oh, it was PM session. No, last Monday we entered long on ES, we got break even, but during PM session we got huge W. Not bad, you know. Today, you know. We didn't get the closure. We got the break, but we didn't get the closure above 50%. That's actually good. Also hit 50% of this consolidation. We inside silver boat, guys. I would like to trade silver boat on indices because gold not worth it. But once again, I wouldn't mind to trade gold from the very beginning. Disappointed a little bit. Traded into 3-minute OB just yet. Just for now, I would say propulsion block, but can be continuation setup if it could close on 5 above 50%. SPX inside sell sentiment right now, OTU for RTH gap again. If no dejection right now, I would forget about short until tomorrow. So right now it's last area where we can drop. If it's going to displace right now, it's last area where I want to short from. Not higher. Not tick higher. Not tick higher than this week. This means once we break in above sell sentiment here, done with shorts. Don't even try anymore. As I mentioned before, I wouldn't long here gold. I wasn't long from here. I cut at break even, and in my opinion, it made sense to drop to the sell side to continue going higher to 51.38. In reality, just minor retracement back to, I would say, around like 50% of this range, small range, and continue higher. No. Don't like it. Not a tick, yeah. But this is how you invalidate your trade idea and just switch on instrument. You see, like, your trade idea not correct here. I'm not going to chase the price. So my plan was lower. That's it. Just switch another instrument. Yes, 5 3-minute to be whatever. Don't blindly enter short simply because you see huge week. It means absolutely nothing for shorts. On NQ right now we test 50% of 5-minute order block, which is so cool. Structure on NQ still kind of good for I wish I could switch. Oh, actually I can. Short NQ below 640, I guess. To aim for 612. Quick scalp. I wish I could show you simply because my NQ doesn't work. But I can switch here. Okay, let me show you. Does it work? Yeah. So if it's going to offer inversion here, you can try to short inversion below 640 to aim for these lows here. Like minor sweep, 30 points scalp to equal lows. Looks good to me. This idea. Over here. If you're just looking for short, like if you're interested in shorts, it probably could be my idea. I would say right now we're expecting 50% of bearish 5-minute order block on NQ. Over here we retrace to 50%, slightly below 50%, which is fine. Like 50% somewhere here. Actually, yeah, lines up. If it's going to, like, probably short below 640 to aim for 611, 610, like 30 points for PM session. I guess that's all right, you know. I said before, not a tick higher. Right now, short zone, last short zone for PM session. If it's not going to play out right now, like, I would probably just enjoy my day and didn't look for shorts. But I'm looking for short because we hit my important level on SPX. I was looking to rejection to weekly open on ES. I was looking for this one. Because SPX hit important level and we still trying to stay inside OT of RTH gap. You know? It's enough for me. You want to see 6676? Oh. Yes, exactly where I want to see as well. But if you're thinking to put your stop loss here, like if you just for some magical reason want to short right now, it's not going to be the right idea. Your stop loss is going to be above OT. But once again, I would try to short and Q below 640. Yeah, I knew someone is going to mention 67. Guys, you're the best. On oil, we don't have actually, we got structure. That's insane how it moves like $2, like nothing, right? Still cannot understand this. You know, Tradify Apex 4, I like your name, it's amazing name, but my kids, I have two, 6 and 5 years old. They used to say, especially 6 years old, he was saying 6, 7 many times. And I was asking like, do you know what this means? He was saying no. And I was like, do you know this? I have no idea what this means, but I was like, it's a bad word. You cannot say this like out loud outside. And he stopped doing this. Last time when he said this, I was like 2 months ago. I think so. But yeah. Oil technically can bounce to 100 area, but I'm not sure if it's going to happen today. But maybe Asia, I would like to see 100 retest. Let me be more specific. 99.26. What is 6-7? Honestly, I have no idea. Okay guys, let's hit 40 more likes and we will be done for a PM session. I don't feel like it's really worth to waste the time trading right now. I just feel like we're waiting for nothing, you know? Nothing is going to happen, which probably annoying for me. Let's hit 40 more likes, 300 likes. I will start giveaway. I will send you account right after stream. Means nothing? That's the point. Oh. I will never understand this, kids, probably. Because It's Monday. If nothing was presented like until like 2, probably no reason to even trade this, even try to trade this. Even gold still did nothing. So I would say we did good. Come on, guys, 10 more likes and I will start giveaway. We'll come back to you tomorrow. I didn't see your question. More active, because I decided, since I trade PM session anyway, what's the point like to trade this like off stream if we can trade this during stream? So trade I took today, I would take this anyway on my accounts if I was off stream. So yeah. I'm happy with my profit today. Definitely could be more, but no complaints. It's only Monday, beginning of the week. We have lots of time this week, right? Never join any giveaways? Why? Oh guys, we can start giveaway. I'm going to disconnect all my accounts right now. That's it. Oops, that's enough, you know? That's enough. My settings for YouTube. Sorry guys. I'm going to refresh the page. Ready guys? Because, you know, it's boring right now. Let's be honest. I'm really doing my best, guys, to find good setups, but sometimes it's this one. Yeah. Texas RAJ, you won account. Are you in the chat? Yay! Fast enough. I like it. It's fast enough. So closing my Nidhi right now. Enjoying my day. Oh, sorry guys. Our second winner. Are you in the chat? Cannot see him. First one, he said he in the chat. This guy's second winner. Are you in the chat? Please tell us if you want to know. I cannot see him. No? Okay. Maybe bot. Who knows, you know? Who knows? Second winner. Are you here? Are you in the chat with us? Gold pumping. That's annoying. Going to 50, if it's going to go to 51.38, I will be disappointed. Yay, I see you. You won. Congratulations. Wow, this move up. What was the... Oh my god, I'm not going to even watch this. Yay, guys. Congratulations, you won. Kind of disappointed in gold, but at the same time not bad, because I really want to see longs from this area to 51.38. I initially was in long from here, but I cut this at break-even, was trying to short to this area to get in longs, just like to catch the retracement before continuation. You know, perfectly fine with this, but like feel a little bit sad. So I will monitor gold probably in Asia to see if it's going to hit 51.38. It's my key area. I really want to see 50.38 by the end of the day. Yeah, I will see this. I will look this. SPX right now is still inside OT of RTH gap. Nothing is going on. Not fun. Going to disconnect accounts. Not going to trade anymore. We'll see you guys tomorrow at 9 a.m. We will trade both AM and PM session. It's only Monday, so kind of I'm green, but kind of not happy with this. Could be more. Could be better. Guys, love you. We'll see you tomorrow. Don't make stupid mistakes. Enjoy your day. And please don't trade right now. Don't blow your accounts on Monday. Who loves to blow accounts on Monday? No one, right? Love you guys. See you tomorrow at 9 a.m. Maybe early. Maybe 8:50 a.m. if I will see gold stop. Love you guys. See you tomorrow. Wish you perfect the rest of your day.
Welcome to Funded.now, the ultimate hub for futures prop traders. On Funded.now, you can compare prop firms side by side, account to account, firm to firm, with powerful filters that help you find the exact account that fits your strategy. Trade micros? Hate consistency rules? Want EOD drawdown? Just set the filters and find your perfect match in seconds. You can also use built-in tools like the consistency rule calculator, lot size calculator, and drawdown simulator to plan before you risk real capital. Check which prop firms are available in your country, track your trading expenses, and stay updated with the economic calendar. All in one place. Stop guessing. Start choosing smart. Go to Funded.now and find the prop firm that fits you.